In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all tasks ClickUp. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to highlight every task you're looking at so you can move, assign, or update them in one go, and how to quickly clear that selection when you're done. Start on the overview of your workspace. This is the dashboard that gives you a high-level look at your team space and everything inside it. From here, open the specific project or list you want to work in. Choosing the right location matters because you'll only be selecting tasks within the area you open. Once you're inside that project or list, switch to the board view. The board view organizes tasks into groups, usually by status, making it easy to manage work visually. In the header of a group, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called Group Options. Click that menu, then choose Select All. You'll see all tasks in that group become selected at once, which is handy when you want to take action on everything you're currently viewing in that column. If your plan is to select a broad set of tasks, make sure any filters you've applied match what you want, because the selection will follow whatever is visible on your screen. When you've finished reviewing or making changes and want to clear the selection, look for the floating bar that appears along the bottom of the screen. Click the X icon on that bar to deselect all. This is the quickest way to return to a clean slate without manually clicking tasks one by one. There's also another straightforward method using the list view. Navigate to the same project or list and switch to list. At the top of the name column, you'll see a small checkbox next to the header. Click that box to select all tasks currently visible in the list. Just like in the board view, this respects whatever filters or sorts you've set, so what you see is exactly what gets selected. You'll notice your tasks highlight together and the bulk action controls become available so you can manage them consistently and efficiently. That's it. Start from overview, open your project or list, use the board view's three-dot menu to select all, and click the X at the bottom to deselect. Or switch to list and use the checkbox beside the name column to select everything you're viewing. With these two approaches, selecting all tasks in ClickUp becomes fast, clear, and reliable.